Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to pass data between our activity using intent. So I have created an empty activity. Here is my empty activity, and then this is my XML file. Here I have a edit text and a button. So I have the ID of ET name and a button. So we'll go to main activity and then let's handle our click. So for that we need a variable. So val button equal to find view by id, so button, and here r dot id dot button, and we'll tell button dot set on click listener. We will call a function called activity. So we are calling a function, so we are not having this function. We will just add the function. We will make a private function, and then inside the call activity we need the edit text also to get passed. So for that we will create val edit text equal to find view by id edit text r dot id dot edit text name, and then val message equal to edit text dot to string. So we are converting the edit text to string, and then now we have to call our intent. So we will create a variable val intent equal to intent, and then we will pass the context, which is this, and then we will have to call our activity. So we are not having the activity. We will create an activity java example my application, right click onto it, new, and then you have the activity here, and we will have create a empty activity. So main activity 2, we will just finish it. So we will get the XML file as well. So we will go to our XML file and then we will design it. We will add the text view. We will just increase the size. Okay, so we are done with this. We will go to our main activity, and here we will pass our main activity 2. So main activity 2 Java class, and then we will tell also we have to pass our message. So here we are getting the reference of it, so we will tell it dot put extra, and we have to give the name. So we will tell extra underscore message, and then we will pass our message, and then we will call start activity, and we will pass it here. So you can just pass any number of messages here by adding another it.putExtra and so on. So in this we are calling our activity and passing this message. So we have to receive this message in our second activity which is being called. So here I will just write val message equal to intent dot get string extra, and we have to give the name. So our name was extra message, and then we have to assign our value. So we need a variable of text view equal to find view by id text view r dot id dot text view, and then we will just apply text equal to message. Okay, so if you have multiple, same you have to create the multiple variable and then keep on adding the name, and then you have to pass it. So here we are done with this. We will just run our app. So we have this here. We will just pass dev easy, and then we'll click the button, and there you go, we got our dev easy in our second application. So when I click the back button here, so that activity will get killed, and then the other activity, the first activity will be shown, and then when I click once more, then the app will get closed. So that is all about in this video. Thank you.